Alright, my people, you don't know what's your talk up, boss, you see me? You know, so today is a very special day for all the moms, you understand? Mother, grandmother, to be mother. You see me? All of the mother them may bless up today, you see me? Alright. Right now, we have some videos, some recording and some message for the mothers. But before me do all of that, I'm going to kick it off first, you see me? Let me check my mother here now. Thank you, mama, for the 9 months you carry me through all those pain and suffering. Yeah, man, she don't know what's coming, so watch out. Mommy!
Hello! Who that son?
Yes, mommy, and me, you know.
One man.
I'm
If you have something for your Mother's Day.
Oh God, I wish I could bring something for you.
Hi, my son.
You know,
Yeah, my son.
I just want to tell you Happy Mother's Day. You're the best mother in the world. Although we can't give nothing but love. No.
Yeah, love.
Enough love, isn't it?
Yes, mom. Yes, my son. Take care of yourself. How about your wife, my son?
Alright.
Alright.
Happy Mother's Day to the best mom in the world. Latoya, mommy, you mean the world to me. There's none like you. And if I should choose all over again, I would choose you because I don't think no mom in the world can compare to you. You're the best mom in the world, and I love you, mommy, and I wish you a happy Mother's Day, and I hope you live to see many more.
I just want to give a big shout out to my mother for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Donna Brown, from me and her loving little daughter, Amy. And I just want to thank her for everything that she's done for us, all the sacrifices she's made. Even though it wasn't easy raising 2 girls, she still did it on her own, and she made it look very good. And I just hope she enjoys her day, and hopefully we can be the ones to make her enjoy her day and show her how much we appreciate everything that she's done for us.
This quote from Agatha Christie describes my mom best. A mother's love for her children is like nothing else in the world. It knows no law, no pity. It dares all things and crushes down remorselessly all that stands in its path. Mess with her kids, and my mom transforms into a raging lioness. Love you so much, Mom, for all the unceasing love and care throughout the years, for all that you've been for us, and for all the sacrifices you've made. We could not have had or wanted a better mom than you. Thank you for every hug, word of encouragement, moment of nurturing, and act of love you've given us. Happy Mother's Day. My mom's name is Millicent Chung, and the kids are Donovan, Sharon, Nicole, and Ricardo. Happy Mother's Day to a wonderful mentor, Marianne. You've always been like a mother to me, and today I salute you. Love, Jason. Happy Mother's Day to our queen, Sandra Anglin. Mom, you are the definition of a strong woman. Thank you for being our pillar of strength and for showing us unconditional love. You are loved and appreciated. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. We celebrate you today, tomorrow, and forever. From children, Shanice, Maurice, and Tristan. There are many great mothers out there, but I know without a doubt that I got the best one. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you to the moon and back. Love, Britain. Growing up, everyone needs a mother that understands them and loves them unconditionally. The natural bond between the child and mother is the nourishment and care she offered for her child. She is the one who bears the child inside for 9 months without a cost. She endures all the pains and sacrifices her body needs to make a new life. The most we can do to celebrate this phenomenal person is to celebrate her on Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Miss Hyacinth Miller, from your son Miguel. Happy Mother's Day to my beautiful sister Terry. On this special day, I want to let you know that you are a great mom and your sons are blessed to have you in their lives. Love, Jason. God made a wonderful mother, a mother who never grows old or gets tired of me. He made her smile of the sunshine, and he molded her heart as pure gold. In her eyes, he placed bright shining stars. In her cheeks, fair roses you see. God made a wonderful mother. He gave that dear mother to me. Mom, your resilience is greatly admired, and so is your love for us. Love you always. Happy Mother's Day to a phenomenal woman. Very special greetings from your daughter all the way in Canada and from all your grandchildren. We all love you so much. Wishing you an amazing day. Love, Shanil, Shamari, Shanice, Rashima, Maurice, Trisana, and Sadiki.
Yeah, man, I'm if you tell you. And my mother, I don't know how she manage, but boy, as a boy, picking him and work at Chapel Wiki, man. When for there, yeah, with a beach, with all over the place, I ride up and down on bicycle and all sorts of things. But she still put up with me and love the same way, you see me? She never give up on me. That's how greatness about her mother never give up on her youth. Yeah, man, so you see that there? Although we can't get the material things, she knows I love the day, you see me? She knows I love real and everything and we care, you see me? So, blessings to all our mothers them in the world. Big up on yourself.